Never would I have expected to ride a Schindler HT on Itigo's birthday. Oh my god. What is this? This is really, oh my god. I guess the basement does not work. Oh my god. Alright, I guess not. Alright, 2. Kohl's Kohl's, not Kohl's. Both KONE and Kohl's. What is this? Basements. Can't get it to work. This is by far the worst Schindler HT I've ever seen in my life. This is a 321A. I'll get the interlock in. If nobody's waiting, we'll do one more ride. I don't know where it is. I'll do the off famous. This might have a bell. Is it supposed to say 2 or 3? Look at that. Yeah, KONE is maintaining this. Not doing a very good job. I have no words. What's the call button look up here? It's just cracked. Schindler label's rubbed off. Watch this door. Oh, look at that. That's not good. Cab itself, really run down, especially the floor. Like, look at this floor. Wow. Never saw an elevator this bad in a very long time. Itigo will be happy about that. That's all I gotta say.